On the main page of the app, tap Log. Log management allows access to app logs, UAV logs, radar logs, FPV logs, flight controller logs, and image transmission module logs. During upload, select the required log types as needed. App logs are saved automatically. Simply click Upload to transfer them to the cloud. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, an Upload Successful prompt will appear. To retrieve UAV logs, tap UAV. Tap Get Log in the upper right corner. It is recommended to select a time range covering 15 minutes before and after the incident occurred. If only drone logs are needed, click Upload Logs directly. Once successful, click Upload on the right side and click Confirm. To retrieve radar logs, tick Get Vision Logs Only. Click Upload Logs and wait for the retrieval to complete. Once successful, click Upload on the right side. The steps for FPV logs and image transmission module logs are the same. To retrieve flight controller logs, follow the steps below. Power off the main battery. After the main battery is completely shut down, then power off the secondary battery. Remove the drone's top cover. Prepare a USB to Type-C charging cable. Insert the Type-C end into the flight controller data port and the USB end into the remote controller port. Tap Get Log in the upper right corner and select the desired time range. After selecting the required logs, tap Download. Locate the downloaded flight controller logs and tap Upload to complete the process.